In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle your Trust Wallet recovery phrase with care and create a new wallet if necessary. Trust Wallet is a popular and secure platform for managing cryptocurrencies, and understanding how to manage your recovery phrase is crucial for keeping your assets safe. Let's start by opening your Trust Wallet app. Once you've got it open, you'll notice some key features right away. Up at the top, you'll see options such as send, swap, fund, and sell. Below, you'll find your tokens listed. Now, if you've been wondering if you can change your recovery phrase directly, unfortunately, there's no direct way to do this within Trust Wallet. However, I'm going to guide you through a workaround that ensures your assets remain secure. The key is to access your recovery phrase from time to time, especially if you suspect any security issues or feel the need to reinforce your financial safety net. So, here's what you do. Begin by heading over to your settings. In the Settings menu, find and select Manage Wallets. This section provides an overview of your accounts within the app. Choose the specific account you're concerned about, and tap on Secret Phrase. You'll need to enter your password, which ensures the security of your account. Once verified, you'll see your recovery phrase. Make sure to copy it and save it in a secure location. A word of caution: never, under any circumstances, share this secret phrase with anyone. Keeping it confidential is critical to protecting your assets. Now, let's say you discover that someone has gained access to your recovery phrase. What do you do next? The best course of action is to create a new wallet, thereby generating a completely new recovery phrase. To do this, return to the Manage Wallets section and tap on Add New Wallet. Here, you'll select Create New Wallet. Follow the prompts to set it up, and once you have your brand new wallet and recovery phrase, consider it a fresh start for your digital finances. A great strategy is to transfer all your funds from the compromised wallet to this new, secure wallet. This effectively prevents unauthorized access and ensures your cryptocurrency holdings remain safe. Remember, periodically reviewing and adjusting your digital security measures is a smart habit to cultivate. In conclusion, while you can't directly change your Trust Wallet recovery phrase, you can take proactive steps to maintain control over your digital assets. Whether it's checking your recovery phrase or setting up a new wallet, these measures empower you to keep your investments secure. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to stay vigilant and informed about managing your online security effectively.